Today, I'm teaching you guys how we guys can clear your Google Photo storage. So let's say you want more storage on your Google Photos. You can do some of these steps. First thing is you can click on your Google logo at the top right of your screen. Once you click on it, you can click on Manage Storage. From inside Manage Storage, you can click on Blurry Photos, and it's going to show you all the blurry photos on the device. You can just click on them and delete them. If you delete blurry photos, basically, you will have more storage on your phone, or you can even click on large photos and videos, and see some of the large photos and videos, which you don't want, because those are the things which is taking most of your storage. So after you do that, you should have some more free up space. But let's say even after doing that, you don't have more free up space. In that case, what you can do is buy more space in Google. So you can pay Google Photo in monthly subscription, something like $4 or $5 to get more storage. You can do that as well. And even after doing that, but let's say you don't want to pay, you just want free storage. In that case, you can just start deleting videos, which you don't want. Because if you delete the photos and videos which you don't want, you will be creating more space for your new photos and videos. So you can do that because you cannot magically create more space on your Google Photo. You have to delete your current photos from your Google, so you can include new ones. So that's how we guys can clear Google Photo storage. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.